Howdy, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting adventure through the American wilderness aboard the legendary Cass Scenic Railroad. Get ready to uncover some hidden gems and fascinating facts that'll make you see this historic railroad in a whole new light. Introduction to Cass Scenic Railroad. Nestled in the heart of West Virginia's Appalachian Mountains, the Cass Scenic Railroad is a true gem of American railroad history. But did you know that it's more than just a scenic journey through nature? Originally built in the early 20th century to haul lumber from the dense forests, this railroad has since transformed into a beloved tourist attraction, offering visitors a glimpse into a bygone era of steam-powered travel. Lumbering legacy. As we chug along the tracks, keep an eye out for remnants of the Cass Railroad's lumbering legacy. From abandoned sawmills to towering smokestacks, these relics tell the story of the railroad's industrial past. But here's a little-known fact. Did you know that the Cass Scenic Railroad is home to one of the last remaining steam-driven logging operations in the United States? It's a living testament to the hard-working men and women who helped shape the region's timber industry. Shay Locomotives. Feast your eyes on the iconic Shay locomotives that power the Cass Scenic Railroad. These majestic machines, known for their distinctive, hunchback design, were specifically designed to navigate the rugged terrain of the Appalachian Mountains. But here's a fascinating tidbit. The Cass Scenic Railroad boasts one of the largest collections of operational Shay locomotives in the world. Join us as we marvel at the engineering marvels that have been lovingly restored to their former glory. Ghost towns along the line. Venture off the beaten path and discover the ghost towns hidden along the Cass Scenic Railroad's route. These eerie remnants of once thriving logging communities offer a haunting glimpse into the past. Did you know that some of these ghost towns are rumored to be haunted by the spirits of former residents? It's a spine-tingling journey through history that's sure to send shivers down your spine. Moonshine history. Delve into the shadowy world of moonshine with a look at the Cass Scenic Railroad's illicit past. During Prohibition, these remote mountains were a hotspot for moonshine production, and the railroad played a crucial role in transporting illegal liquor to speakeasies across the region. Explore hidden stills tucked away in the hillsides and learn about the bootleggers who risked it all for a taste of forbidden spirits. Hidden waterfalls. Prepare to be dazzled by the hidden waterfalls that dot the landscape along the Cass Scenic Railroad's route. Unknown to many, these pristine cascades offer a refreshing respite from the summer heat and a picturesque backdrop for outdoor adventures. Join us as we journey off the beaten path to discover these hidden gems tucked away in the heart of Appalachia. Railroad interpretive programs. Immerse yourself in the rich history of the Cass Scenic Railroad with its engaging interpretive programs and demonstrations. Unknown to many, the railroad hosts interactive experiences that bring the past to life, from reenactments of logging operations to hands-on workshops on steam locomotive maintenance. It's a unique opportunity to learn about the challenges and triumphs of railroading in Appalachia. Railroad engineering marvels. Marvel at the engineering marvels that define the Cass Scenic Railroad's route through the Appalachian Mountains. From towering trestle bridges to steep grades and hairpin curves, the railroad's track layout is a testament to the ingenuity and skill of its builders. But here's an intriguing fact. Did you know that some sections of the track are laid on wooden ties made from local timber, a nod to the railroad's lumbering heritage? Railroad artisan workshops. Explore the Cass Scenic Railroad's artisan workshops, where skilled craftsmen keep the traditions of Appalachia alive through their handcrafted creations. From woodworking and blacksmithing to pottery and quilting, these workshops offer visitors a glimpse into the region's rich heritage of craftsmanship. But here's an intriguing fact. Did you know that some of the artisanal products produced here are sold on board the trains, providing passengers with unique souvenirs that capture the spirit of Appalachia? Railroad star-gazing events. Embark on a celestial journey with the Cass Scenic Railroad's star-gazing events, where passengers can marvel at the wonders of the night sky away from city lights. Unknown to many, these special excursions offer guided tours of the constellations and celestial phenomena visible from the Appalachian Mountains. It's a magical experience that highlights the railroad's connection to the cosmos and the natural world. Railroad educational initiatives. Engage in educational initiatives offered by the Cass Scenic Railroad, aimed at fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of Appalachia's cultural and natural heritage. Did you know that the railroad partners with local schools to offer field trips and educational programs focused on topics such as forestry, wildlife conservation, and Appalachian history? It's a hands-on learning experience that inspires curiosity and stewardship among the next generation of conservationists and historians. Railroad geocaching adventures. Embark on a thrilling geocaching adventure along the Cass Scenic Railroad's route, where hidden treasures await intrepid explorers. Unknown to many, the railroad serves as a backdrop for geocaching enthusiasts who hide and seek containers filled with trinkets and treasures. It's a modern-day treasure hunt that adds an exciting twist to the railroad experience, encouraging visitors to explore the hidden nooks and crannies of Appalachia's wilderness. Railroad culinary delights. Indulge your taste buds with the culinary delights offered aboard the Cass Scenic Railroad. Unknown to many, certain train journeys feature gourmet dining experiences that showcase the flavors of Appalachia's rich culinary heritage. From hearty mountain stews and savory barbecue to homemade pies and preserves made from locally sourced ingredients, it's a feast for the senses that celebrates the region's bountiful harvests and traditional recipes. Railroad environmental initiatives. Discover the Cass Scenic Railroad's commitment to environmental sustainability and stewardship of the Appalachian wilderness. Unknown to many, the railroad actively participates in conservation projects aimed at preserving the region's natural beauty and biodiversity. From reforestation efforts and wildlife habitat restoration to recycling and waste reduction programs, the railroad strives to minimize its environmental impact and protect the pristine landscapes that surround its tracks. Join us as we lend a hand in these vital conservation railroad folk medicine traditions. Explore the traditional folk medicine practices preserved along the Cass Scenic Railroad. Unknown to many, the local Appalachian communities have a rich tradition of using native plants and herbs for medicinal purposes. Join us as we discover the healing properties of wild herbs and plants found in the region's forests, and learn about the age-old remedies passed down through generations. Railroad Native American heritage. Dive into the rich Native American heritage preserved along the Cass Scenic Railroad's route. Unknown to many, the Appalachian Mountains were home to indigenous peoples long before the arrival of European settlers. Join us as we explore archaeological sites, artifacts, and cultural landmarks that offer insight into the lives and traditions of the region's native inhabitants. Railroad geological time capsules. Journey through geological time with the Cass Scenic Railroad's fascinating collection of fossils and ancient artifacts. Unknown to many, the Appalachian Mountains are a treasure trove of geological wonders, containing evidence of ancient seas, prehistoric creatures, and geological processes that have shaped the landscape over millions of years. Join us as we uncover fossils, minerals, and other geological curiosities hidden within the mountain's rocky depths. Railroad meteorological phenomena. Witness the unique meteorological phenomena that shape the landscape along the Cass Scenic Railroad. Unknown to many, the Appalachian Mountains are known for their unpredictable weather, with sudden changes in temperature, dense fog, and dramatic cloud formations creating a dynamic and ever-changing environment. Join us as we delve into the science behind these atmospheric wonders and experience the awe-inspiring beauty of nature in action. Railroad cultural festivals. Immerse yourself in the vibrant cultural festivals and celebrations that take place along the Cass Scenic Railroad's route. Unknown to many, the Appalachian region is home to a rich tapestry of cultural traditions, including music, dance, crafts, and culinary arts. Join us as we join in the festivities, sampling local delicacies, enjoying live performances, and learning about the customs and heritage of the diverse communities that call Appalachia home. Railroad recreational opportunities. Explore the myriad recreational opportunities available along the Cass Scenic Railroad's route. Unknown to many, the Appalachian Mountains offer a playground for outdoor enthusiasts, with opportunities for hiking, camping, fishing, and wildlife watching abound. Join us as we embark on outdoor adventures, exploring scenic trails, casting lines in pristine streams, and immersing ourselves in the natural beauty of the Appalachian wilderness. Railroad Appalachian literature. Delve into the rich literary tradition of the Appalachian region with a look at the works of renowned authors and poets inspired by the Cass Scenic Railroad's scenic landscapes. Unknown to many, the rugged beauty and storied history of the Appalachian Mountains have served as a muse for generations of writers, whose words capture the essence of the region's culture, heritage, and natural splendor. Join us as we explore the pages of Appalachian literature and discover the stories that have shaped the soul of the mountains. Railroad cultural preservation efforts. Learn about the Cass Scenic Railroad's ongoing efforts to preserve and promote the cultural heritage of Appalachia. Unknown to many, the railroad collaborates with local communities, historical societies, and cultural organizations to safeguard the region's traditions, artifacts, and historic sites. Join us as we witness firsthand the dedication and passion of those working to ensure that the rich tapestry of Appalachian culture continues to thrive for generations to come. With its rich history, natural beauty, and commitment to conservation and cultural preservation, the Cass Scenic Railroad offers a journey through the heart and soul of Appalachia. If you found these unknown facts intriguing, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of railroads. All aboard for adventure and discovery.